7 days. That's all it takes to launch an AI powered dropshipping store from zero. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. No fluff, no theory, just a real step by step breakdown of how someone with no experience can use artificial intelligence to build a working online business in 1 week. Imagine waking up, opening your laptop, and having tools that literally think, write, design, and analyze for you. That's what makes this different from traditional dropshipping. You are not spending months figuring things out, you are compressing everything into 7 focused days. Let's say you are someone who never built a store before. You don't know what to sell, you don't know how to write product descriptions, and you definitely don't know how to run ads. That's exactly where AI steps in. On day one, steady instead of guessing a product, you will use AI tools to analyze trends, scan social media demand, and identify winning products that are already getting traction. For example, imagine discovering a portable blender that's trending on short form video platforms. Instead of manually researching competitors, AI can summarize reviews, identify selling angles like fitness convenience or travel friendly nutrition, and even predict whether the trend is growing or dying. Right from the start, you are not just picking random products, you are making data driven decisions in minutes instead of days. This is what gives you an unfair advantage. The goal here is not perfection, it's speed and execution. By the end of this video, you will understand how each day builds on the previous one, turning a simple idea into a live store that's ready to generate sales. So forget everything you have heard about complicated business setups. This is about working smarter, not harder, and letting AI do the heavy lifting while you focus on making decisions that actually moving the needle. Day one is all about finding a winning product, and this is where most people fail because they rely on guesswork. But with AI, you are eliminating that guesswork entirely. Instead of scrolling endlessly trying to feel what might sell, you can prompt AI tools to analyze current market demand, trending hashtags, and viral content patterns. For example, you could ask an AI tool to identify products that have recently gone viral in niches like fitness, pets, or home gadgets. Within seconds, it can generate a list of products along with reasons why they are trending. Let's say it highlights a posture character that's gaining popularity due to remote work habits. AI can break down the target audience, suggest emotional triggers like confidence and pain reliefs, and even generate a rough marketing angle. You are not just finding a product, you are understanding why it works. This is crucial because dropshipping isn't about selling random ideas, it's about selling solutions. Once you have a shortlist, you can use AI again to validate demand by analyzing customer reviews from marketplaces. It can summarize thousands of reviews into key insights like common complaints or most loved features. This helps you position your product better than competitors. For instance, if customers complain about discomfort, you can highlight improved comfort in your marketing. By the end of day one, you should have one solid product with a clear audience and marketing angle. This is your foundation. Without this step, everything else falls apart. But with AI guiding you, you are not just guessing, you are building on data, insight, and strategy. And that's what separates a random store from a profitable one. Now, day two. Day two is where you turn your product idea into a real online store, and this is where AI becomes your personal web designer and copywriter. Traditionally, building a store requires design skills, technical setup, and hours of writing content. But now you can describe your brand vision in a simple sentence, and AI can generate a complete store layout, color scheme, and branding style. For example, if your product is that posture corrector, you might want a clean, health focused brand. AI can suggest names like Align Pro or Posturees, generate a logo, and even create a brand story that connects automatically with customers. Instead of struggling with design, you are instantly creating something that looks professional. Next comes product page, which are most important part of your store. This is where AI truly shines. You can input basic product details and it will generate high converting product descriptions, headlines, and bullet points. But here is the key: you don't just accept what it gives you, you refine it. For example, you can ask AI to rewrite the description to sound more persuasive or more emotional. You can even request multiple variations and choose the best one. Imagine having 5 different versions of a product description in seconds. That's something human writers would take hours to produce. By the end of day 2, your store should look clean, professional, and ready for customers. And the best part, you didn't need to hire any more or spend weeks learning design. AI handled the heavy lifting while you focused on shaping the vision. This is where your business starts to feel real. Now, day 4. Day 3 is, it is day 4. Day 3. Day 3 is all about content creation, specifically creating ads that actually grab attention. This is where most beginners struggle because they don't know what kind of content works. But AI changes that completely. Instead of guessing what kind of ad might perform well, you can analyze viral ads in your niche and reverse engineering them using AI. For example, you can input a successful video and script, and AI can break it down, its structure, hook, problem, solutions, and call to actions. Now, then it can generate your own version tailored to your product. Let's say you are promoting the posture character. AI might create a script that starts with a relatable hooks line, someone struggling with back pain while working on laptop, followed by a transformation showing improved posture and confidence. You can also use AI to generate multiple hooks, so you are not relying on just one idea. The more variations you test, the higher your chance of finding a winner. Beyond scripts, AI can generate visuals, captions, and even music styles that match your brand. If you are creating short forms videos, it can guide you on pacing and storytelling. The key here is speed. You are not spending days brainstorming ideas. You are generating dozens of creative concepts in minutes. By the end of day 3, you should have multiple ad creatives ready to test. This is where your store starts to connect with real people, because no matter how good your product is, if your content doesn't grab attention, you won't make sales. AI ensures you are not just creating content, you are creating strategic, high converting content. Now, day 4. Day 4 is where you launch your ads and start bringing traffic to your store. And this is where many people get overwhelmed. But again, AI simplifies the process. Instead of manual figuring out targeting, budgeting, and ad copy, you can use AI to guide your decisions. For example, you can ask AI to suggest audience segments based on your product. If you are selling a posture character, it might recommend targeting remote workers, students, or fitness enthusiasts. It can also suggest interests and behavior that align with your audience. When it comes to ad copy, AI can generate multiple variations tailored to different audiences. For instance, one version might focus on pain relief for office workers, while another emphasizes confidence and appearance for younger users. This allows you to test different angles without writing everything yourself. Budgeting is another area where beginners struggle, but AI can provide simple frameworks. For example, it might suggest starting with a small daily budget and scaling based on performances. The key where the key here is not to overcomplicate things. You are not trying to build the perfect campaigning, you are trying to gather data. By the end of your day four, your ads should be live and you should start seeing initial results. This is where your business transitions from setup to execution. You are no longer preparing, you are actively testing what works. And with AI guiding your decisions, you are not blindly spending money. You are making informed choices that increase your chances of success. Day 5. Day 5 is all about analyzing your results and optimizing your store and ads. This is where AI becomes your data analyst. Instead of staring at numbers and trying to figure out what they mean, you can input your performances data into AI tools and get clear insights. For example, if your ads are getting clicks but no sales, AI might suggest that your product page isn't convincing enough. It could recommend improving your headline, adding social proof, or highlighting benefits more clearly. If your ads aren't getting clicks at all, it might suggest testing different hooks or visuals. Let's say one of your ad variations is performing better than the others. AI can help you understand why. Maybe it's the emotional angle, the pacing, or the way the problem is presented. Once you identify what's working, you can double down on it. This is the key to scaling, doing more of what works and eliminating what doesn't. Another powerful use of AI on this day is customer feedback analysis. If you have started getting messages or comments, you can analyze them to identify common questions or objections. For example, if people are asking about comfort, you can address that directly in your ads and product page. By the end of day 5, your store and ads should be more refined and optimized. You are no longer guessing, you are making decisions based on real data and insights. This is where your business starts to gain momentum. Day 6. Day 6 is where you focus on scaling and automation. At this point, you should have some data showing what's working, and now it's about increasing your results. AI can help you identify scaling opportunities by analyzing your best performing ads and suggesting ways to expand them. For example, if a specific audience segment is responding well, you can create similar audiences or expand your targeting. AI can also generate new ad variations based on your winning creatives, allowing you to keep testing without starting from scratch. Automation is another key focus on this day. You can use AI powered tools to handle customer support, email responses, and even order tracking. For instance, if a customer asks about shipping, an AI chatbot can provide instant responses, improving customer experience without requiring your constant attention. This allows you to focus on growth rather than day-to-day operations. Another important aspect of scaling is improving your back-end processes. AI can help you identify reliable suppliers, optimize shipping times, and even predict potential issues. By the end of day 6, your business should feel more stable and scalable. You are not just running a store, you are building a system that can grow with minimal effort. This is where the real potential of AI driven dropshipping becomes clear. You are leveraging technology to do more with less, and that's what gives you a competitive edge. Day 7. Day 7 is about refining your brand and setting up long term success. Up to this point, your focus has been on speed and execution, but now it's time to think bigger. AI can help you develop a stronger brand identity and analyzing your audience and suggesting ways to connect with them on a deeper level. For example, it might recommend creating a brand story that emphasizes transformation and confidence if you are selling a posture character. You can also use AI to generate content for social media, email marketing, and customer engagement. This helps you build a loyal audience rather than relying solely on ads. Another key focus on this day is expanding your product line. AI can suggest a complementary product based on your current offering. For instance, if you are selling a posture corrector, it might recommend ergonomic chairs or desk accessories. This allows you to increase your average order value and create a more comprehensive brand. By the end of day 7, your business should not only be operational but also positioned for growth. You have gone for zero to functioning AI powered dropshipping store in just 1 week. And while this is just the beginning, it sets the foundation for long term success. The key takeaway here is that AI doesn't replace effort, it amplifies it.